In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money into your Robinhood account. We'll walk through the app together so you know exactly where to tap and what to look for, and I'll share a few tips to keep things smooth and secure. First, open the Robinhood app and log in. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that your app is up to date so everything looks familiar and works properly. Once you're in, head to the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This is your account hub where you manage your settings, balances, and transfers. From there, tap the three-line menu icon at the top left of the screen to open the main menu. In the menu, select Transfers. This is the section where you handle deposits and withdrawals. If you haven't linked a bank account or debit card yet, scroll to Linked Accounts and choose Add New Account. You'll be asked to pick bank account or debit card, then provide the required details to connect it. Take a moment to confirm you're linking the correct account and only enter information you're comfortable sharing with the official app. After your account is linked, tap Deposit. This is where you'll choose how much money you want to move into Robinhood, enter the amount that fits your plan, and remember you can always start small and add more later. Next, select the source account you'd like to use, the bank account or debit card you just linked. Make sure the right account is chosen to avoid any surprises or overdrafts. Before you submit, review everything carefully. Double-check the deposit amount and the source account. A quick review now can help prevent delays or the need to cancel and redo a transfer. When everything looks correct, confirm the deposit. If you used a linked bank account, the transfer may take a few days to fully settle. If you used a linked debit card, instant deposits up to $1,000 are typically available right away, so you can start placing trades sooner while the full transfer finishes in the background. Once the deposit is completed, the funds will appear in your Robinhood account and be available for trading. Keep an eye on your balance to see when the money is reflected, and proceed with your investment plan when you're ready. That's it. You've successfully deposited money into Robinhood. Follow these steps each time you want to add funds, and you'll be set to trade with confidence.